Python, third Friday of a month. I am a rookie Python programmer and I need to write a script to check if a given date, passed as a string in the form month, day, year, is the third Friday of the month. I am using Python 2.7. For example, these dates can help you better understand my problem. Have a yearly calendar at hand. Input, output. January 18, 2013, true. February 22, 2013, false. June 21, 2013, true. September 20, 2013, true. I just want to use standard classes provided by the language, like time, datetime, calendar, etc. I have looked into some answers, but I see calculations like additing/subtracting 86,400 seconds for every day, or even doing comparisons depending on the number of days that a month has. These are wrong because the libraries in Python already take care of these details, so there is no need to reinvent the wheel. Also, calendars and dates are complex, leap years, leap seconds, time zones, week numbers, etc. So I think it's better to let the libraries solve these tricky details. Thanks in advance for your help.
This should do it. Test. If you're trying to find the expiration of an option, you could use something like this.
You can use something like this to get third Friday of the month, current month, and then simply compare that third_Friday with your day by year, month, day. Hope this helps.
Yet another way to accomplish this, using integer division.
This is the nicest I've found so far. Relative delta replaces the day in the date you specify by day is equal to 1. From this new date, weekday is equal to fr, 3 specifies the third Friday.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.